Hey, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. I am down here in West Vancouver. We are just starting a little bit of a building envelope restoration project for a beautifully architecturally designed house. It has recently been purchased by our client. The boys have started this morning just doing a little bit of exploration work and have uncovered a little bit of rot around some of the window openings and some areas of the envelope where there's some concealed gutters. So let's go on inside and we'll have a quick look at what they've discovered so far. If you can see just inside there where this concealed gutter is, you can see all that mildew and mold, all that black stuff up the side of the stucco. And that's just as a result of water being distributed into this cavity from the downspout that you can see just hiding in behind there. So never a great idea to pour water into a concealed space. Really curious to see what we're going to find when we open up the drywall from inside. A little bit of more rot that we found in around the windows, and again, most likely as a result of the concealed gutter that you can just see around the back there. So we'll peel some drywall off here and likely we'll go down underneath into the garage and just see if there's any evidence of failure in the ceiling there. Hopefully the floor joists are okay and we don't have to pull up this beautiful limestone floor. Up here on the second floor, I don't know if you can see from the window, but you can just see that the window is all now out of alignment. You can see on this window here as well. And when we look at the deck outside here, the drain is in the far backhand corner, but the whole deck is now sloping in towards the doors. I don't know if you can really see, but down here the wood framing at the bottom of the window has all got dry rot, and if I could get the camera down low enough, we'd see that there was daylight underneath the door. And then, I don't know if you can see, you see all that white marking on the concrete floor here. That's all effervescing as a result of water that's backed up in that deck because the drain was blocked and the water's been leaking inside here for some while, and it's been pulling the mineral salts out of the concrete there. So we'll have to pull the door and window units out here. One to replace the membrane. What you can't see is the framing on this deck is all spongy and rotten, so that's all going to get replaced. We'll pull the windows and doors out to make sure that the waterproofing membrane is properly lapped over the envelope there, and then the windows and doors can all be replaced. So stay tuned. Beautiful view down into Vancouver Harbor there. That's Vancouver downtown that you can see in the distance, and the ships in the far distance, and UBC across the water there. Anyway, stay tuned to this, and if you want to follow along on this project and some of our others, then make sure to join our YouTube channel. That's all for now.